Some extraordinary news coming out of Macomb County today. Prosecutor Eric Smith facing 10 criminal corruption charges tonight. Charges include running a criminal enterprise. That's a 20-year felony. It all involves the alleged misuse of county forfeiture funds. Rod Maloney has more the reaction from Eric Smith's attorney.
It is a startling juxtaposition. Eric Smith's attorney basically is saying tonight that he is shocked and dismayed by what he calls politically motivated charges against the prosecutor. In the meantime, the Attorney General is saying that the prosecutor used his office as ground zero for a racketeering operation. After the state police raided his office last April and then again his home a month later, Prosecutor Eric Smith said,
I recognize that, this doesn't look great.
Now it's beyond a bad look. Smith charged with conducting a criminal enterprise, 5 counts of embezzlement by a public official, misconduct in office, tampering with evidence, accessory after the fact, and finally, forgery. The state alleging his right-hand man, current prosecutor's office operations manager, and former Macomb County state representative and county treasurer Derek Miller committed misconduct in office and conspiracy to commit a legal act in an illegal manner with Smith. Also charged, now retired prosecutor's office employee Benjamin Liston, and finally this man, William Weber Jr., who owns a security company. This all starts with a fight over who could manage a forfeiture account. Smith claimed it was his and allegedly refused to turn over records to the county. This got County Executive Mark Hackle's attention. He called the Attorney General's office.
Surprised by the number of charges, but not surprised that there were charges being brought.
In the end, Smith turned over money to the county, but not the records. Attorney General Dana Nessel said of the case,
Smith and his cohorts elected to utilize these accounts as their own personal slush funds, spent in order to enrich themselves or others, to build goodwill in the communities in which Smith would seek re-election.
Now, late this afternoon, Eric Smith's attorney also said that he will not be stepping down from his office, and the only other way he could be removed from office is if the governor were to have a hearing and then remove him, but it doesn't look like the governor has a lot of time for that kind of hearing at this point. So that's where things stand there. In the meantime, Smith will be here at the 41B District Court in Clinton Township on Friday morning for his arraignment. In Clinton Township, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
Eye-popping non-corona news that came to us today.
Indeed. All right.